Sweetheart, I was holding a new baby girl.
What is the baby girl's name?
Ariana.
That was a great name. What is going on here? Right, is Stephanie holding a teddy bear? No, she was holding something. Then what is it then?
I was holding baby Ariana because she's my daughter. What do you think about my new baby daughter?
Yeah. Don't you agree? You three? Is the baby looks cute?
No!
Are you kidding me?
The baby looks so stupid.
I agree with you, Laurie. The baby looks like Louie 2002's sister, Gwen. I agree with you too. The baby looks horrible because she is the worst baby ever. I hope the baby will be born in hell. Oh my God! You just called our daughter stupid. That was so mean of you. That's it. We're going home now, and when we get home, King Cold and Sonic will have a talk with you. Are you kidding me? Why did you call Ryan and Stephanie's baby stupid? That was so mean of you. You three better say sorry to the baby right now.
No!
We will not. Just say it. Just say it right now.
No!
We will not. If you three not say sorry to the baby one more time, you three will be grounded bigger time.
No!
We said no. And you can't tell us what to do. Why did you three not say sorry to the baby? That's it. The three of you are grounded. Now go to your rooms right now. Oh, and you three will not go to McDonald's ever again.
It's okay, Ariana. Those three mean troublemakers are gone.
I think Ryan will give your baby a bottle, Ariana.